Yo, what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I got a straight banger for you today, all right? So check this out, y'all. In this video, what we're going to talk about is getting money, all right? Getting money, how to speed up your wealth creation, all right? I got 4 things for you that's going to speed up your ability to get to the money, to make money, to create your wealth that you want to create, all right? So be sure to tap in, lock in with this video. And let me also say, nothing in this video is financial advice. If you want financial advice, go talk to a licensed financial advisor, right? But what this video is about is a practical approach to getting to the money, all right? So I don't want to waste y'all time, man, but let me say this real quick, y'all. I definitely appreciate all of you guys that have been tapping in, okay? I always want to make sure that I, give my gratitude because you guys be showing up, you be watching these videos, you guys be tapping in. And I just want to say, I appreciate all of you guys because without you guys showing up, this channel would not exist. All right. So thank you guys. And I want to say we got a birthday today, man, a special birthday. I want to say shout out to Robert Freeman. Okay. He just turned 90. One of our community members, Davita, right? Her father just turned 90. That's a blessing. She told me in an email. So I just want to say shout out to Robert, man. You know what I'm saying? You making it to 90, that's something to celebrate right there. So shout out to Robert. Happy birthday. All right. Now, back to the topic, right? Getting to this money, y'all. Okay. So first thing, right? If you want to speed up how you get to this money, first thing is, you got to understand the power of creativity, okay? Creativity. Your ability to be creative is going to dictate your earning potential, all right? Creativity. Now, what is creativity, y'all? Right? It's like, okay, yeah, be an artist, whatever, but it's like, no, right? The way and how you get money, right? It helps you understand, right? So if I say, all right, I'm working at Walmart, okay? What's the difference between somebody working at Walmart making, $12 an hour versus somebody, not even an entrepreneur, but in a different career field that's making, $80 an hour? The difference is their ability to understand that there's creative ways to make money that's outside of the norm. Okay. So first things first is you got to increase your ability to be creative, right? Now, being creative is a spiritual thing, right? It is a spiritual thing, y'all. Your ability to be creative, right? Now, something that helps being creative is, okay, spend time around the arts, right? Spend time in nature. Because your ability to be creative is going to be predicated on your environment. If you're in an environment that's, limited physically, you're going to feel limited in your mind. Okay. And you're not going to have ideas on how to make money. Go travel. Traveling is going to help you become more creative because you may be sitting here thinking like, dang, how can I get more money? How can I make more money? But you doing that inside of a small 1-bedroom apartment. If you ask that same question in a different city, right? Or you go out in the city that you at, you go to the park downtown, let's just say, and you ask that same question, now you're not limited physically, right? So you got to learn how to get creative. You got to start putting yourself in different scenarios and exposing yourself to different information so that now you can understand what's out there. You got to get your exposure up, right? So your creativity, there's always more than one way to skin a cat. Always more than one way to skin a cat, right? You want to make more money? There's people making money doing all types of things that wasn't going on 10 years ago, 20 years ago. But the creativity and how you approach something is going to dictate your earning potential and how much money you could make. Okay, so you got to get your creativity up, y'all. All right. The next thing is resourcefulness. So now you got the ideas out. Now you got the ideas flowing. Now, okay, how you going to put it together? Resourcefulness. Okay. Money follows creativity and ideas, but then how can you put it together? Right? How resourceful can you be? If you don't have the resources, you got to learn how to be resourceful. Okay? This is what I learned. This is a lesson I learned when I was in real estate, right? If I didn't have the money to put into a deal, a house to flip, what did I have to do? I had to be resourceful with my marketing and my lead flow. And then if I could be resourceful with that and I could find a seller that wants to sell a house and I could bring that to somebody, that's value to them. Now, I may not be able to make the whole amount of money, but let's say inside of that deal, there was $12,000. If I bring the house and the seller, I may be able to make $4,000, right? And then, or even 50-50, $6,000. And then from there, right, I could get a jump start and I could make more money and then I could go on about my day and my journey, right? But you have to learn how to be resourceful. You got to learn how to make something out of nothing. That's the key on resourcefulness. How can I make something out of nothing, y'all? Right? And if you never had to make something out of nothing, you probably ain't gonna really know. That's probably a muscle you ain't had to flex, right? But I've been having to make something out of nothing in my life when I was younger. Always had to do it, right? Couldn't go to Cinnabon, right? But what did we do? I got that bread, put some butter on it, got some sugar and some brown sugar, put it in the oven. Hey, we had cinnamon toast, right? Resourcefulness. Okay? You got to learn how to make a gourmet meal with nothing but some noodles and some hot links in the refrigerator, right? We used to do that when I was a kid, right? Had a whole gourmet meal off of noodles and hot links. Okay? So it's like you got to understand and learn how to be resourceful, right? Resourcefulness will have money getting attracted to you all because you know how to make things happen. So what is your ability to make something happen? Right? So we got creativity and we got resourcefulness. The next thing, your ability to focus. Right? You can't be talking about I'm creating my wealth, but you don't know how to focus and lock in and be like, nah. You don't know how to be like, nah, I'm not going out tonight. I'm not going out this weekend. I'm going to stay in this weekend. I'm going to stay in this house and I'm going to work on this plan. I'm going to read this book. I'm going to learn this skill set. When is the last time you locked yourself in the house for the weekend? Just the weekend, right? Right? Kanye said he locked himself in a room for 2 or 3 summers. Making beats. But now look, right? You got to learn how to use your energy, right? And focus your energy to get you where you want to go. And the best part about it is, once you focus long enough, the focus and the energy of that focus compounds the results. And then you get to a point where you have focused so much on this thing that the results are just coming in droves now. All because you learn how to focus. And when I'm talking about all this, I'm not even talking about just making money in the market. I'm talking about making money in life, because what do I always say? This is way bigger than the market. This is way bigger than trading. Way bigger than trading, right? This is about becoming a prosperous individual from the inside out. But your ability to focus is going to dictate your earning potential as well. This is all about increasing your earning potential, right? How do you view the world? How are you able to focus? Do you know how to tell people no? Do you know how to tell yourself no? Right? And the last thing, right, This is critical. Your ability to execute. Your ability to execute. How well can you execute, y'all? How well can you execute? Is everything you say just an idea? Is everything just an idea? And then you feel good about the idea, but you never execute, right? What happens when the rubber meets the road, y'all? That's what this is about. Your ability to execute is also going to be a determining factor on how much can you increase your earning potential, right? Learn how to execute, intently focus, be resourceful, and then be creative so you can have ideas flowing to you all the time on how to increase your revenue, your money, your cash flow, however you want to do it. Like I say, this is not about just trading. This is about becoming a more prosperous individual from the inside out. How you think, how you operate, how you show up in the world. Okay? So listen, y'all. Creativity, resourcefulness, focus, right? Ability to focus, and how well can you execute? All right? I hope that this video blessed y'all, right? I hope that this video did something for you, and I hope you go out there and I hope you go execute off of the stuff that was inside of this video. All right? Like I always say, y'all, make sure you get up out your head, go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live, y'all. All right? And also remember, the more you study, the less you worry. All right? Y'all have a great day. I'm going to holler at y'all on the next video. Y'all stay smooth, man. Peace.